Friends, I am Santosh. Now I am going to discuss about a new lesson, combustion and flame. So before discussing about combustion, I want to discuss about a fuels. What is a fuel? The material which produce heat energy on burning in air is called fuels. Some materials on burning produce flame and some do not produce. For example, a candle or coal gas on burning produce a flame, but not the coal or charcoal. Let us study the chemical process of burning and types of the flames produced during the process. So, we can say here the materials such as wood, cow dung, cakes, crop reduce, kerosene oil, coke, LPG, petrol, diesel, and natural gases have some common property. That is, they produce heat on burning. It is this heat energy which is put to different uses. Now I want to tell you about what is combustion. Combustion होता क्या है? What is combustion? The material, the chemical reaction which takes place with the release of heat and light energy is called combustion. The chemical reaction which takes place with the release of heat, with the release of heat, with the release of heat and light energy, with the release of heat and light energy is called combustion. The material which burn are commonly called combustible material. The material which burn are commonly called combustible material. The air or oxygen which help in the burning is called supporter of the combustion. So what is the supporter of the combustion? Supporter of the combustion is air. So without air, nothing can burn. So that's why air is the supporter of the combustion. So I told you what is the combustion, the chemical process in which a substance burn in air. So you have to see the correct definition. The chemical process in which substance burn in air or oxygen with the release of heat and light energy is called combustion. And combustible materials, the material which on heating in air or oxygen easily catches fire and release heat and light is called combustible material. So combustible material जैसे हमारे एलपीजी है, पेट्रोल है, केरोसिन ऑयल है, वुड है, डीजल है, पेट्रोल है, नेचुरल गैसेस हैं, सब क्या हैं? ये सब combustible material हैं. Combustible material. Now we have to see here supporter of the combustion, a substance generally air or oxygen which helps in combustion of a combustible material is called supporter of the combustion. How do you prove that the supporter of the combustion is necessary for the combustion of a material? When sand is poured over the some burning material, the fire goes off. It it is because the supply of the air which support the combustion is cut off. So when we pour the sand on the burning material, what will happen? It will cut off the supply of the oxygen. Second, if the clothes of a person catch fire, he is immediately wrapped in a thick blanket. The blanket cut off the supply of the air. That's that is the supporter of the combustion, and hence the fire is put off. So we can say here in this blanket cut off the supply of the oxygen, that's why a fire put off, fire बुझ जाता है. And now we have to see here what is the ignition temperature. What is the ignition temperature? Some minimum temperature is essential for a combustible substance. Some minimum temperature is essential for combustible substance before it catch fire. This minimum temperature is called ignition temperature. This minimum temperature is called ignition temperature. Ignition temperature क्या है? It is a minimum temperature which is essential for combustible substance. So we can say the minimum temperature to which a combustible substance must be heated before it catches fire is called ignition temperature or kindling temperature. Kindling temperature. For example, ignition temperature of the phosphorus is 35 degrees Celsius. So unless the phosphorus is heated to 35 degrees Celsius, it will not catch the fire. Unless the phosphorus is heated to 35 degrees Celsius, it will not catch the fire. However, it temperature of the air is 35 degrees Celsius or more, the phosphorus will catch the fire without heating. And now we have to see here what is the inflammable substance. What is the inflammable substance? Inflammable substance. Now see here, inflammable substance, the substance which has low ignition temperature are called inflammable substance. The substance which has low ignition temperature, generally less than 100 degrees Celsius, are called inflammable substance. Example, alcohol, ether, carbon disulfide gas, benzene, petrol, LPG, synthetic fiber. These all are the example of the inflammable substance. How do you prove that excess supply of the supporter of the combustible lead to the complete combustion? Ordinarily, kerosene oil burns in air with a yellow flame. Kerosene oil जो होता है yellow flame के साथ जलता है air में and produce a lot of smoke. However, in the pressure, kerosene oil stove, kerosene oil vapor coming out of the nozzle of the burner under high pressure suck in the large amount of the air. Thus, they burn completely, producing blue flame. तो वहाँ पे जो स्टोव में क्या होती है, प्रेशर की वजह से क्या होती है, यह जो है कि उसमें लार्ज अमाउंट ऑफ द एयर होता है जिसकी वजह से ये कम्प्लीटली बर्न होता है और ब्लू फ्लेम बनाता है. सो सिमिलरली इन अ केरोसिन ऑयल विक स्टोव, perforated iron cylinder is placed around the burning wicks. The air continuously flow through these holes and hence makes the kerosene oil vapor burn completely, thereby producing blue flame. अब देखते हैं अंगीठी. अंगीठी जो गांव में जलाते हैं, घर पे जलाते हैं. ए स्पेशल आयरन ग्रेट इज फिक्स्ड इन ए अंगीठी in which the coal or soft coke or charcoal or small pieces of the wood are burned. The gap in the iron grate allow the air to freely move through the burning combustible material and hence sustain combustion. Sustain combustion. What is the condition necessary for the combustion? So there are many conditions. First is there must be combustible substance. Second, there must be the continuous supply of the oxygen or air. The third, the temperature of the combustible material should be above its ignition temperature. तो कई चीज़ें जो है कि नेसेसरी होती है कम्बस्टन के लिए. पहला कि कम्बस्टिबल सब्सटेंस लाइक पेट्रोल, डीजल, वुड. सेकेंड थिंग, देयर मस्ट बी कंटिन्यूस सप्लाई ऑफ द ऑक्सीजन. ऑक्सीजन की सप्लाई होनी चाहिए. एंड द टेम्परेचर ऑफ द कम्बस्टिबल मटेरियल शुड बी अबव इट्स इग्निशन टेम्परेचर. उस ऑब्जेक्ट का, उस मटेरियल का इग्निशन टेम्परेचर से अधिक होना चाहिए. एंड नाउ वी हैव टू सी हियर द टाइप्स ऑफ द कम्बस्टन. कम्बस्टन कई प्रकार के होते हैं. फर्स्ट इज स्लो कम्बस्टन, सेकंड इज रैपिड कम्बस्टन, थर्ड इज स्पॉन्टेनियस कम्बस्टन एंड फोर्थ इज एक्सप्लोसिव कम्बस्टन. तो स्लो कम्बस्टन क्या होता है? व्हेन ए कम्बस्टिबल मटेरियल बर्न एट ए लो रेट, at a very slow rate, is called slow combustion. During slow combustion there is not sufficient supply of the air or oxygen. तो जो स्लो कम्बस्टन होता है उसमें जो है कि सफिशेंट सप्लाई नहीं होती है ऑक्सीजन की. दस द कम्बस्टन इज नेवर कंप्लीट एंड दस एज ए रिजल्ट ऑफ द स्मोक एंड हार्मफुल गैसेस आर फॉर्म. और इसमें जो है कि स्मोक बनते हैं या फिर हार्मफुल गैसेस जो है कि निकलते हैं. जैसे हम लोग काउ डंग, फॉर एग्जांपल काउ डंग केक, वुड, केरोसिन ऑयल, लैम्प एक्सिबिट स्लो कम्बस्टन. जब काउ डंग को जलाया जाता है तो वो जिसमें सप्लाई सफिशेंट सप्लाई जो है कि ऑक्सीजन की नहीं होती है, इसकी वजह से क्या होते हैं वो स्लो जलते हैं और स्लो कम्बस्टन शो करते हैं, उसमें से स्मोक निकलता है. Rapid combustion, when a combustible material burns rapidly to produce heat and light, is called rapid combustion. For example, LPG gas, CNG gas, when burned in a special stove, they exhibit rapid combustion. During rapid combustion, there is a sufficient supply of the oxygen area, hence the combustion is complete.